We walk hand in hand, facing life's storms, together so grand. Each drop a story that unfolds, a tale of love and battles untold. Through the rain, our hearts will sing, our souls entwined in this endless ring. We'll dance under skies so gray, finding hope beyond today. Clouds may weep with sorrow deep, but in the rain our promises keep. Through every storm and fearful night, our love stands strong, shining bright. Through the rain, let's embrace in this journey we must face. With each droplet that falls from above, we rise stronger with hearts full of love. The thunder roars, our spirit stands, each raindrop a chance for romance. Through the rain's relentless pour, our bond deepens more and more. In every storm we find solace with you by my side. I am brave, for in your eyes a promise lies that nothing can ever disguise. Through the rain, our dreams take flight, carried on winds of pure delight. The world may seem so vast and wide, but with you beside me, I'll stride. Through the rain, we'll hold each other tight, guiding through darkness into light. Our love's a beacon in this downpour, a lighthouse for us to explore. As night falls and storm clouds loom, we find peace within our room. The rain may pour, but we won't flee, together strong as it should be. Through the day, let's cherish every moment, for this love is a true wonder. In every drop that cascades down our hearts, beat in perfect tune. When skies clear and sunbeams shine, we'll look back at the rain divine. Through all we've faced, through it all we have seen, the power of love is ours to